Good evening, friends. As we know that topic for this jam session is Hindi cinema, and this topic has been very close to my heart. Actually, Hindi cinema is an integral part of every Indian. No one can see or say that I have been aloof from this topic. So, topic is very apt to start the journey of jam session. So, as far as Hindi cinema is concerned, there are only two elements which have woven this entire nation in one. First is Hindi cinema, and another one is cricket. So, I will restrict our discussion to Hindi cinema only. So, guys or kids open their tender ears to the song like Kathi Ka Ghoda. So again, it comes from Hindi cinema, and we express our adolescence feelings with Hindi cinema dialogues or songs. Again, it belongs to Hindi cinema, and again, all the marriage functions in our society starts with Hindi cinema and it ends with the Vidai song. So you can see that how deeply this Hindi cinema is rooted in our culture, in our psyche. So even suppose Holi is coming up. So every Holi is colorless if it is not complemented by the background songs of Hindi cinema. And even if we talk about nationalism or patriotism, the first lesson of nationalism or patriotism, I think, has been taught by only Hindi cinema or songs. So it's a wonderful topic to start with. And since Manish sir has given me this opportunity to conduct this jam session with you, so I can ensure it is going to be a very open forum where you can discuss your thought along with my questions. So first, it gives me immense pleasure, really immense pleasure indeed, to conduct this jam session. And I have devised very pertinent 10 questions as I am supposed to do. So, who would be the volunteer for the first question? Any gentleman or lady? As over the top streaming like Amazon, Prime, and Netflix, it is losing its content, and now it is cornered down to amend itself to reach the larger audience. What is your view?
Yes, it's very true that since the Amazon, Hotstar, they are in the picture, they are coming up, and actually they have encased the opportunity during this lockdown. Because during lockdown, cinema halls were closed and people just rushed into the Netflix and all these things. That's very true. Hindi cinema is losing its merits in comparison to the Netflix and Amazon and all. But there are some drawbacks also. Like you said, Hindi cinema is deeply rooted in all Indians. It's very true. But since the Netflix, Amazon, Hotstar is coming, they are coming just not with the Hindi culture. I mean, Indian culture or they are just taking up other things also. Since I started watching Netflix, I found it very disgusting at times. Their language is so filthy, their obscenity. That is a part and parcel of all Netflix content. So at least Hindi cinema has censorship. They do take care of the things kids are watching, adults are watching, the family is watching. So they should give this much of exposure to the things that our Indian culture, or what do you say, Sanskriti, should not be hurt in any sense. But the picturization in Netflix, Amazon, वगैरह, they are just not taking care of such things.
Like parallel cinema, like in the mid of 70s and 80s, there was emergence of directors and producers like Vasu Chatterjee, Rishikesh Mukherjee, Bimal Rai, who who were known for their experiments with the Indian cinema. But the irony was that they were not considered as a successful or blockbuster movie makers because audience was not that mature and they could not do justice with their talent. So do you feel that if those directors or producers were present at this time, they would have had a larger audience?
Producer and director from
that Indian Hindi cinema can go global, and it can establish itself like Hollywood.
It could be established the way it is Hollywood. All right. I feel, Amit, I think the potential, which has in India cinema is really very, very, very much. But the audience in India, they are comfortable. But if in terms of we talk about globally, I don't think it will be those fruitful the way it works in India itself, because most of the film are just coming from our backgrounds, our tradition, our culture. They are showing our dressing sense. So those people, I don't think they will feel so connected, and we feel so connected with the Hollywood just because of this, because we adopted a lot of Western culture. We see so many English things and English movies and everything, so we have got so entangled in their culture, their way of living, and we Indian are so much impressed from there.
To Uday is, how do you assess the impact of Hindi cinema on the feeling of nationalism, and how does it has instilled the feeling of patriotism?
If I simplify your question, you mean Hindi cinema is not having that notion of patriotism? My understanding is right, Amit?
No. How it has furthered the feeling of nationalism or patriotism?
Because of Hindi cinema, we are getting more, we are feeling more patriotic. You are 100% correct when it comes to Hindi cinema or cricket. That time only we are feeling more patriotic. India we are saying. Other time, if it is a hockey match or if it is a kho match or anything, okay, happening around us, we are not taking care of that. But your observation is correct, or your point is absolutely correct, that whenever it comes to Hindi cinema, because it's a mirror of our society. So if Hindi cinema is something or showcasing something more like what happened, surgical strike, at that time we really feel that yes, I belong to this society and I want to I feel for my country. So definitely, if our movies are built around patriotism, we will fulfill more about that.
All right. Thank you so much. Thanks for nice effort. This you should be doing.
Okay, fine, sir.
Now, why?
It has always said that if this body had not been there, we would have created or produced more meaningful cinema. Do you buy this argument?
No, I don't abide with this decision, because if we are able to watch Hindi cinema with our family, it's only because of that censor board only. Your first question with Anju ma'am was that coming up to Netflix and Amazon and OTT platform, we are not able to see them with our family members only because of there is no censorship. I think censor board is mandatory, and censor board should be there to control the contents in the movies. By the way, they have done so far, I think they have done it in a great way. We have grown up watching movies from Mother India to Munna Bhai, and we can enjoy all these movies with our family members. So I think censor board should be
there. She spoke well. She described OTT in a best possible way. She also raised the issue of lockdown and how OTT flourishes in this period. But I expected her, since being a lawyer, she would have come with the censor part of OTT, like how can we censor it or how can we regulate it in a better way. Although I think bill is pending to regulate how we are going to censor OTT as well. Tarannum for being upfront for what you do not understand. You come up with the open heart that you can change your question. So it takes a lot of courage. In spite of giving a vague answer, it is always better to ask for clarity. So 8 marks, and whatever you spoke about cinema, it is well received, and I appreciate it. Now, next.
Thank you so much. Well analyzed, dear Amit.
Asked you a question. I think earlier you little misconceived that question, but with the help of sir, you got that right. And again, you gave a very pertinent answer, but you could have done little better, like what as sir said. We always expect a little better effort from your end, and for that sake I give you 7 marks again, but it was a nice effort, really.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, Amit.
And now last but again not the least, Ram Milan, I give you 9.5 marks for
Thank you, sir.
aptly like I tried to make my question little that was little technical, since censor board was there and different things, but you perceived that question in the right spirit and you gave that answer in the right spirit.
I truly appreciate
Thank you so
it.
much.
Very good.
Thank you so much.